Well, a rare and unusual piece of vintage Royal Albert to show you. Jubilee Rose pattern, but in a very unusual shape for the teacup. Probably a one-off. I don't know, because a few things to show you about this one. If you have a look at Jubilee Rose in the Royal Albert catalogue, they're almost always Montrose shape. The classic bulbous pantaloon, sort of bulbous teacup shape. But this one isn't. This is an open bowl, rotated rib moulding. No Royal Albert marks on this one at all, but it's most definitely Royal Albert Jubilee Rose, with that pattern distinctively around the outer walls of this teacup. Nicely conserved. 1960s through to 1980s is the production period for Royal Albert Jubilee Rose. And this is the saucer, 5.5 inch, I think, again with the Royal Albert marks on it, but not with Jubilee Rose printed as a pictorial mark, which again makes me think this is quite a rare version of Jubilee Rose. The saucer matches the ones that were supplied with the Montrose shaped teacups in terms of its well shape, its depth and everything. All the measurements are on the website listing, so it's the teacup that really makes this an unusual addition to a Jubilee Rose collection or a Royal Albert collection. And I think this one's probably going to go to a teacup collector looking for that little bit of uniqueness that no one else will have. And I challenge you to find another open bowl Jubilee Rose vintage Royal Albert porcelain teacup available anywhere on the web currently. I couldn't find one. I did the research, went through the Royal Albert pattern book, and there's no mention of them actually producing many of these, if at all, in this one. So it could be a late production, maybe something that Dalton were sort of toying with when they overtook the catalogue books of Royal Albert in the late 20th century. So we're putting this down as late 20th century Royal Albert porcelain Jubilee Rose open bowl teacup and saucer set, and something really quite unusual. Thanks for watching.